Today, I am talking about how to manage your timekeeping as a barber. I feel like in the barber world, this is the epidemic. Clients are always complaining about it. My barber had me there for like 2 hours or had me there for 3 hours. I had an appointment at 1 o'clock. I got there at 1 o'clock. I didn't get into the chair until 3 o'clock. And I'm like, barbers, do you not know how to do this? And it seems like they don't. And people are always asking me, how do you run on time? How do you keep your time? And especially that if you watch my Insta stories, so often I'll put people on the gram saying, look, this guy's running 15 minutes late. This guy's running half an hour late. This guy's running 5 minutes late. And they're just like, what? If they're running late and you still cut their hair, how do you run on time? Well, watch this video and I'll break it all down for you. But before we go any further, forward it to a barber that you think needs to hear this. And most of all, don't forget, click subscribe and the bell notification. I put helpful videos up every Sunday between 6 and 8 p.m. from advice, tutorials, vlogs, days in my life, and so much more. But let's not ramble on anymore. Let's get straight into this video. How to manage your time as a barber. Well, what you need to do first of all is get honest with yourself. Too many barbers are not honest with themselves. I see them like, oh, how long does the haircut take you? Oh, 20 minutes. Excuse you? 20 minutes? I see them taking 45 minutes on haircuts. I hear them telling people 20 minutes, 30 minutes. No, you take an hour. No, you take 45 minutes. Let's be honest with ourselves, guys. How long does it take you to cut your average client? This is key to running on time, working out the average time it takes you in cutting. If you can't do that or you're not honest with yourself, then you're never gonna run on time. And then people are constantly gonna come and say, oh, how long are you gonna be? Oh yeah, I'll be like 5 minutes, when you're gonna be half an hour. Come on guys, work it out. So let's say the average haircut takes you, with the beard, takes you, let's say 35 minutes, right? Sometimes it might be 40 minutes, but that's the average time. What I want you to do is add on 5 to 10 minutes to that average time. So let's go with 45 minutes. So when you have got your booking system, you're gonna do haircut and beard at 45 minutes. Now some of you are saying, wait. But what happens if it takes me 30 minutes? I'm just gonna be waiting there doing nothing and I'm losing money. I hear what you're saying. I fully hear what you're saying. But what you're gonna do in your booking system is, you're gonna book haircut and beard, 45 minutes, and you're going to charge what you wanna get paid over 45 minutes. So even if a client comes in and it takes you 35 minutes or 30 minutes and you got 15 or 10 minutes to spare, you have still been paid for your 45 minutes. And how this helps is, if that client comes 5-10 minutes late, no problem, I'll jump you in. Why? It's gonna take me 35 minutes to cut you. I will still be on time for my next client. If that client comes 20 minutes late and you're like, ooh, now I'm gonna be running 10 minutes late to my appointment after, no problem. Why? Because even if you run 10 minutes late for that next appointment, it's not an issue because the average haircut takes you 35 minutes. That haircut you're going into might only take you 30, 35 minutes or 40 minutes. So you're running late, but you're still gonna finish around the same time you were going to finish anyway. It's such a rare occasion that I will turn away a customer. Most of the time I'll say, listen, wait around and I'll squeeze you in somewhere. Ask my clients. I do not like turning away customers. I will always aim to cut your hair if possible. I do not want you running late, but I do not want to turn you away either. My aim is to cut your hair. I'm here to serve you and I want to cut your hair. And this is how I do it. I can cut someone's hair in 15 minutes, right? Sometimes even like quicker than that, 12 minutes, right? My times are allocated as half an hour, but I can do people comfortably in 20 to 25 minutes if I'm not talking to them and I'm just focused. I'm not filming a haircut if I'm just focused. And that's how I do it. So when people are always asking, how do you do it? Because that customer's running 20 minutes late and you still cut them. But then, I showed you like 2 haircuts later and I'm running on time. That's how, because I just stayed focused for 2-3 haircuts and just scraped off 5 to 10 minutes of each haircut and then suddenly I was back on time. After 1 haircut, after 2 haircuts. That's how you manage your timings. And then also it's about, respect. Barbers will book someone in at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock comes, they're ready to cut the client. Another person walks in, they're like, oh, I'm just gonna put that person in front. You're not respecting the timings, you're not respecting the clients. That's what's happening there. That's how someone can have an appointment at 3 o'clock and then suddenly they're not getting cut till 5 o'clock because they're just not respecting their booking system. Respect the timings, respect the appointments. But this is how you run on time. in summary, you need to work out how long does the average haircut take you. Then add some time onto that and then charge accordingly to what you want to get paid for that time. And this way you've got a buffer on every haircut, not every haircut, majority of haircuts, because I know some haircuts might take you 45 minutes or 50 minutes anyway. And if that's the case and you run 10 minutes into your next appointment, you still got that buffer. You get what I'm saying? How to manage your timing as a barber. Advice for Slidercuts. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If it has, then please let me know in the comments, like it, subscribe so you can keep up to date with all of my videos. Also press that little bell notification, because that means every time I post, you will be notified. Advice for Slidercuts. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Share it with a barber who needs to hear this. Peace.